Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the continuation of the second video that I did last week. So this video is for continuation, like clarity. Like I said last week, we are going to be navigating how to use AI to make money in this 24th century. Like AI is everything now. Like AI is making money and everybody is enjoying the money they are making. So I would like us to look into these 5 aspects where we can use AI to make money on a daily basis, like a passive income where you can use your AI to make money. So let's begin. The first one is the social media management or social media marketing. This social media management or social media marketing is what is trending now. A lot of people are using it to make money. They hire people to manage their social media platform such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and everything, and they pay them a whole good sum of money. Every month they pay them salary and they don't have to be there. It's actually a virtual work, like a remote job. You will be there and you will be making your money. Also, you can use the AI to leverage on marketing. You use the AI to market your product. You use the AI to market your services. Excuse me. You use the AI to market your services. You use the AI to do everything you want, and it's going very viral because on today's world, the only way people see, the only place people hear, the only thing people see is AI, and the social media, the trending topics, the trending photos, the trending everywhere. There is nothing like all this olden day stuff. As long as you concentrate on social media and the video marketing and the aspect of it, you are good to go. There are so many AI applications that can help you to achieve that. They help you to achieve exactly what you want to achieve. You don't need to do anything special. All you have to do is to search and you will be fine with it. The second one we are going to look into now is the online marketing. The online business, the online shopping, the online market, the online everything. Like this is the next thing now. We have to look into this because the online shopping is another aspect where you can use AI. You can use your AI to develop an instant website. You can use your AI to develop an instant landing page. You can use your AI to build a lot of information, a lot of images that will compel people to come to your site, that will compel people to come to your online shop, that will compel people to come and buy from you. Like we have big giants in this online shop like Amazon. In Nigeria we have Jumia. We have so many things. We have so many online shops that Shopify, and so many things. They are doing very well and they are leveraging on the use of AI to achieve their aim to make it. As an individual, you can also build your own. You can also build your own online application and you'll be very fine. All you need to do is to search online for websites that you can use to generate you use for AI to generate your website, and voila, you are good to go. Just do a good marketing, a good social media marketing, and you will be surprised how you would be directing traffic to your website and to your landing page. Whenever there is any issue, it's so seamless that you can easily contact somebody at the background and your issues will be rectified. That is how seamless AI is, and that is how far it can go in making life easy. I cannot remember the last time a whole lot of people go to buy things physically. Most of the people go online, and it is really making sense in today's world. The next one is the AI optimization companies or agencies. What this optimization company do is that you meet them, please help me build a software, an AI application. I want to use it for so purposes. So when they upload it for you, when they build an AI software for you, is your own. You can also use it and generate income for yourself. You don't necessarily need to be an IT person. All you need to do is to contact the IT people that deploy the AI stuff, and they do it, and you also use it to generate your money. Another aspect where we can leverage on to generate income on AI is investing in AI companies. There are a whole lot of companies in the US, in the Western world, that are specifically AI companies, and a lot of people are investing billions of naira in them. That is why you can say that every blessed day they roll out a whole lot of AI. Some people are investing in them and they are making money. You can also try it. We should not just be somebody that will be hearing AI, feeling AI. We should also be an investor of AI. You should also earn dividends from AI. I'm not sure it's circulated, but at least I know that online a whole lot of people are actually investing in AI companies, and they are getting good returns. They are getting really good returns, and it is really making sense, because at the AI market is not going down very soon. It's not coming down soon, as in we are here to stay. AI is here to stay with us for a very long time, and we better be prepared for it, because it is also part of our life and it is part of our time. The last topic I would like to talk on is the affiliate marketing using AI. Most people, you know what affiliate marketing is, by selling people's products. A lot of people use this AI application to try to bring traffic to their website and sell people's products, people's knowledge, people's programs, and they make a whole lot of commission on it. A lot of affiliate marketing, like all these AI applications, if you go down their websites, you will see what they call affiliate marketing. Join us, our affiliate marketing. When you join them, whenever you sell or you introduce people to their products and they buy using your own link, you get your own share of the money, and you are not even investing, you are not even doing it. Your own is just to introduce people. The last one, again, the one in conclusion, I would like us to leverage on the use of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, anybody, anywhere, you understand, you see that you can just Google it, whichever field you belong to. Let's leverage on this ChatGPT. Is really doing wonders. Like a whole lot of people depend on it, like their life is dependent on it. You use it to do so many things. And as you're using it, it's bringing out more results for us. So lastly, let's leverage on the use of AI, because AI is here to stay. There is nothing we can do about it. It's either we fall in or we fall out, and we shall not fall out. We are in together. We are here with it. We will also enjoy the AI benefits together. On this note, I want to say thank you for always tuning into my channel. God bless you. Subscribe, like, and share, so that a whole lot of people can get to see this video. Thank you.